Hello guys, welcome to Magsaysay Park Coastal Bridge. It's near to finish over there, this bridge. There's not bangkas. Magsaysay Park area. Coastal Bridge. Yellow truck. Welcome to Magsaysay Park. Nice flower. This snake plant. So guys, we have two motorbike parking. Masjid Mosque. The Muslim community, they are praying. This house, beautiful house. Masjid house. Maranao. Turugan, no. Maranao Royal House. This is the Maranao Royal House. Tugan Royal House. Look at this, made of bamboo. Beautiful. Hello. Ah, there's a big plant. You see? Beautiful. So big burn. Plants. Hello. Good day, tita. Hello, ma'am. We're having video, ha? Malaki lagi yung firm. Amazing. So it's my first time to see this kind of. Oh, malaki niya. Lumalaki lang siya, no?
Lumalaki yan, no? Ibang ang variety siguro niya kasi ito pares na yun.
Oh, iba daw ang variety.
Mga giant siguro ang mayroon din maliit naman yung isa.
Kaya nga ito gani giant na fern. Big fern.
Ito naman medyo may
Nice.
kalaki na.
Ikaw may-ari dito, ma? Caretaker.
In charge na ako dito. Ano ito? Project
In charge.
government.
Ay, oo. Thank you. Project City Cover. Bangsam. Thanks for watching this. I wanna have taken pictures here. Oh, see, you will see here si Magsaysay Park. area. Oh, this is amazing tree. Look at this. Pitugo. It's a big pitugo. We also have amazing pitugo here. Look at this. Pitugo tree. And there is fern. This is amazing house. Oh, see? Amazing pitugo tree. It's so big. Oh, his body. Thanks for watching. Love you all. So we're gonna get inside. We already get inside here. Announce ka mo. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. I like really this big farm. See the houses. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all.